We were just talking about the Jurassic. Remember Jurassic Park, the start of the film, where there's the flea in the bit of amber or whatever it is, and they get the dinosaur DNA from the flea. Oh, mosquito, someone said. You're right, it's a mosquito. And they get the DNA from it, and then they're able to reconstruct all these dinosaurs just from the DNA.
Yes.
Who knows what dinosaur DNA is like? It spawned a fantastic film franchise.
And that has spawned a big debate between Roger and I this morning, because have you ever thought about dinosaur DNA other than that opening sequence in Jurassic Park?
That's the only time I ever thought about it, but it's something that's preoccupying a team of researchers at the University of Kent. They have pieced together the genetic characteristics of dinosaurs by working backwards from their closest modern-day relatives.
Yeah, it's very clever indeed. They say the breakthrough reveals how they dominated Earth for more than 180 million years. Palab Ghosh has been finding out more.
Could these scenes from Jurassic World really happen? Dinosaurs recreated from DNA, wreaking havoc. Geneticist Darren Griffin has used mathematical techniques to identify the genetic structure of the very first dinosaurs by working backwards from their closest modern-day relatives, birds and turtles. And so, could he bring them back to life?
If we have some DNA, the chances that we can recreate an animal from that are vanishingly small. We didn't really know what the overall structure of a dinosaur genome looked like. As a result of the work that's gone on in this lab, we now have a very close idea and a pretty certainty that it was something very close to a bird.
Birds are the most diverse species on the planet. They come in so many different shapes and sizes. It's thought that this is because they have 80 chunks of DNA called chromosomes. That's more than 3 times as many as we have. If dinosaurs have the same genetic structure as birds, then that might explain why there are so many types of dinosaurs. Their genetic structure may help to explain why dinosaurs survived so long and are so varied. Some are huge, others were tiny, and some flew. It was their genes that enabled them to adapt to the Earth's changing conditions over 100 million years. And they were able to do that far faster than any other kind of animal. The current theory is that a giant asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs when it hit the Earth 66 million years ago. The new research suggests that they survived.
The fossil evidence now and our evidence illustrating the genomic structure of dinosaurs actually reinforces the idea that actually rather than being distant relatives, they are actually all one and the same, and that actually the birds that are around us now are dinosaurs.
So it's not a question of whether we can bring them back. They never went away. Dinosaur genes enabled them to change shape and size quickly and so survive for hundreds of millions of years. Palab Ghosh, BBC News.
Fantastic pictures.
Yeah, amazing.